is now time to create and add the magic on this shirt and create a beautiful magical top out of it. Wait. So of course you need a ribbon. As I have told you, you can cut a ribbon out of pillow cover, bed sheet, of your skirts, of your long dresses and things like that. Yeah. And then you must have a bigger cloth like this that you can wrap it around your boobs. So it should be just bigger, and it can be a pillow cover, it can be a bed sheet, or yeah. Now I have secured that cloth around my boobs with a safety pin. Now see what I'm gonna do. So I took another ribbon because that ribbon I just wrapped it around here. But now I have to do another magic. Okay. I'm wearing my usual earrings. So I've put my lip color and my butterfly over here. I made it with a brush and a color, and now